In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Monday.com, a versatile platform renowned for its project management capabilities. Whether you're seeking to gather feedback, collect data, or streamline operations, mastering form creation can tremendously enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your Monday.com homepage. From here, you'll spot a plus sign prominently displayed. Click on it to navigate to the options that allow you to create new items. This interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to jumpstart the process of adding fresh components to your workspace. Next, you'll want to locate and select Form from the menu that appears. Click on New Form to initiate the process. The platform has streamlined this procedure so that even those new to it won't find it daunting. With a few clicks, you can have your form ready to go. Now, it's time to name your form. The name is crucial because it sets the stage for what the form is intended to accomplish. Whether it's a contact form, a feedback survey, or something else entirely, the right name will ensure that your colleagues or respondents know precisely what to expect. After you've named your form, simply click on the Submit button. This will create your form and bring it up for editing. While this might seem like a small step, it's the key to moving forward with customization options. Then, go ahead and click on Edit Form. This section is where you can customize the form to fit your specific needs. From here, you'll have the flexibility to add questions, rearrange elements, and more. This phase truly allows for the personalization of your form to make it as efficient and effective as possible. One useful tip is to add a logo. Adding your brand's logo can provide a professional touch and help reinforce brand identity, especially if the form is public-facing. You can upload the logo easily within the Edit section, and it generally takes just a few moments. Additionally, you have the option to modify the settings. By tailoring the settings, you can adjust how the form behaves, including submission preferences and respondent permissions. Don't forget to refine your question settings too. This allows you to determine question types, mandatory fields, and other key configurations to collect the data you need effectively. Once your form is perfectly customized and all settings meet your satisfaction, click on Submit once more. Your form is now ready for sharing. You can distribute it via a link or embed it within a web page. This makes it accessible and convenient for anyone you wish to include in your project or data collection efforts. With these steps completed, you're all set. Forms on Monday.com offer a robust way to keep data organized and contextualized within your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most out of your Monday.com experience.